Today I'm going to teach you on how to recover the lost document or folder or a partition. And yesterday I was trying to partition my disk, this D, but fortunately I deleted the folder, but right now I'm trying to recover it using a software. So what we are going to do, we are going to recover it using a software. Here it is. Here EaseUS Data Recovery, and then I will show you how to after installing the software, I show you how to recover your lost documents. So let me start. First of all, we go to then we say next, then we confirm here we want to install this one. Here you can change the place where you want to install, but to me it will mean to save. Then I confirm. So already I said, would you like to install a folder anywhere? Say yes. Yes, I needed to have a desktop icon. And next, yes, here it is. Then we finish the installation. Delete and see. We have managed to work it. To create our software now, the next thing we need to do is to click we need to cover this partition and click scan. See, it will start flashing. This one will take a lot of time because it was usually does something called a deep scan. Okay, hard disk is made of magnet, so it's trying to look all possible solutions in the hard disk. And since I know the files that I want to recover, they will be I will be able to search by the name of a file that I want to search. So you can see the time that is remaining is 52 minutes. That is the minute. So I will leave it here there, and then I'll come back after that 52 minutes are over. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to speed up, then I will come back after that period, the scanning and the recovery is fully done. So till that time, let's meet after. This is one of my lost document that I was interested of using, and somewhere is the work I was doing for a certain institution, so was recovering to get one of these Excel documents. So the disk scanning has completed, and we have found around 405 we have found 405,640,000 files for my partition D, and these files are building up a new directory, so we can wait for this file to build up, and then we continue from there. Here it is, all the partitions that I lost. So we can start by trying to find the lost document. One, we can start by searching. There is a search bar here. We can write our name that we want to search, and then we enter. So there is two documents with the same name, and highlight, and then you see recover. Then we create a path. This is try we find somewhere we can see. So we create a new folder, and then we call it recovery. Recovery. Recovery, we can move it to the place where we want it to be. Let's say we can go to our PC, and we go to local disk, and we create a new folder here called we highlight, and then we say OK. So now add a new folder, recovery, cover data. So here now we can try to open it and see what is in it, whether it is encrypted or sometimes you find if you lose the document, it might document is good and the record are in a good format. So that is the process of